everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I would like to share with you the digital eye strain Q method that I personally use. It's necessary to develop a habit to change the visual distance to the screen. For example, if you have a chair with wheels, you move it a little further every 15-20 minutes. Lean back and already you look different and the eye muscles are work differently. A very simple way that allows to the eyes to rest. Digital eye strain relief exercise. You need to develop a habit to use a laptop or phone with outstretched arms. Especially this is useful for people with myopia. Just to stretch your arms out when you type something on a keyboard. The distance from the eyes to the screen increases, the eye muscles begin to work differently. People with myopia usually sit very near to the screen and their eyes are used to looking very close. When they start typing with outstretched arm, the distance increases and the eyes try to refocus to a further distance, and this helps to improve vision well. The most important thing is to acquire this habit of moving away from the monitor, aligning your back, removing all tension from the body and enjoying the process. Subscribe to my channel to improve your eyesight naturally.